Alright, this video is on Pizzazz 7.7, and we're going to do this first block here, and then the other three you can do by yourself. So if you read the instructions, it tells you that they want you to plot the points, connect the dots, make the line, and then find the slope. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to plot 4, 4. So go over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're working on this one right here. Then we're going to go over 1 and up 2. So there's our first 2 points. So I'm going to connect those dots. Maybe. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with this ruler. Can't quite figure out how big my pen is going to be. Okay, so to get from this point to that point without using this line, I've got to go over and up. So let's see how far I have to go over. So 1, 2, 3. So I run 3, and then I rise 1, 2. So the slope of that first one is 2/3. Okay, let's do the next one. 2, 0. So go over 2 and then don't go up or down. 0 means don't move after that. And then -4, +4. I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to connect those 2 points. Alright, now I've got to figure out how to get from this point to that point without going through this line. This one's going to be negative, I can tell already, because it's a negative slope. It's going downhill. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my negative, and I'm going to fill in my... So I'm going to have a number on the top and the bottom. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to run 6. And then we would have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We'd have to go up 4. But technically we're falling because we had to come down first and then over. So it's actually fall, but that's why it's negative. But the thing is that 4, 6 will actually reduce because they're both even. Anytime that you have 2 even numbers, you just take half of each. So half of 4 is 2. And half of 6 is 3. So this is actually going to be -2/3. So I need to take out that 6 because it's no longer 6. We reduced it to 3. So far we have a +2/3 and a -2/3. And they do look like the same slope, just going in opposite directions. Alright, let's try the next one. So over 1 and down 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we go over 3 and down 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's our slope. There's our 2 points. We're going to try to find a slope here. This doesn't look like a very steep slope. I'm going to say it's definitely a fraction. Maybe a 1/3 or a 1/4 or something. Very gradual. When they look like this, they're going to be like a small fraction. And it is positive because it's going uphill. So I'd have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. So run 4. And rise 1. So I was right. It is 1/4. And it looked like it would be. So what we're going to do now is do the riddle. So 2/3 is going to be B. So down here, 2/3 is going to get a B. And -2/3 is an E. And 1/4 is an O. So now you do the other 3 and ask me for help if you need them. You could also just take the points and plug them in to the slope formula. That's another way you could do it. Either way, you know, you have your tools and your resources. Use them however you see fit.